How to delete Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode I'll be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account. So in order to delete your Instagram account, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. So for that, you'll need to log in from your web browser. So exit this app and then go ahead and open up your web browser. On the web address bar, type in instagram.com. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, now once you're logged in from your web browser, you'll be able to see the interface as of your application. Now on this page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to direct you to the profile page. So over here, click on edit profile under your username. And this is going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to make changes with your profile information. If you're sure about deleting your account, scroll down right to the bottom and then click on temporarily deactivate my account. First of all, since you're deleting or deactivating an account, you'll need to select the reason for deactivating and go ahead and type in the password associated with this particular account. After you type in the password, click on temporarily deactivate my account, and as soon as you do that, you'll also receive a confirmation stating that your account has been temporarily deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted. So before deleting your account, you'll need to wait for 30 days, otherwise your account will not be deleted. So in the meantime, if you change your mind and want to log in, you can log in within the 30 days. After 30 days, you'll not be able to recover your account. In this way, you can delete or deactivate your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.